Hello friends, this is Milani Hajunsu. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing 3CE Glow Beam Highlighter. It comes in 3 shades. The product claims that the soft and fallout-free texture makes this highlighter perfectly adhere to the skin and create a dimensional look that naturally glows in any direction. 4-in-1 product, jelly-like puff, sebum removing powder. So the packaging is plastic compact like of a cushion. All the information is stated on bottom of product as well. It comes with mirror and a soft squishy thick puff like macaroon. The sponge feels high quality. I'm really sorry for such words, but I have 101 temperature right now. My nose is blocked so I can't comment on its smell. Take a moment is a lovely light diffusing pink color. The texture of these highlighters feel wet to touch but soft and bouncy, that is very creamy. With puff, the highlighter gives more natural glow, but the color doesn't show much on puff. These highlighters are softer and bouncier than putty texture. Take a Moment is a beautiful rose gold pink that when used with finger creates a sheen on skin with one coat. There is no fall off. Now I know my contour isn't blended here, but wait till the end. With a brush and as an eyeshadow, it is blendable easily with other powders too. It subtly glows from every angle. Each shade's packaging depicts its color. Look how sticky the puff is. I had to be careful with it because dirt can stick on this puff. This puff evens out lumps and cakey foundation, and to be honest, I loved it for this. Go to Show is a peach highlight with gold shimmer. I love how my finger just digs into the highlighter while using it and it just bounces back. Look how pigmented and reflective it is. If puff is pressed or dragged harder on highlighter, only then the color shows on puff. Again, the puff gives beautiful radiance to skin. With a brush, I will apply it on corner of eyes, and with just one dig, highlighter pops so much on my eyes. The more coats you apply, the more reflective it can become without clumping. Go to Show is going to suit all skin tones. Rare Side is the lightest shade of this collection and its compact color depicts that too. It has the same puff like other two highlighters. Rare Side is a natural ivory with wild gold pearl. It is a reflective silvery gold that will suit more on fairer or lighter skin tones. Here you can see a lump on the puff, but once I dabbed it on skin, it dispersed evenly, making skin dewy naturally. So here I'm using the puff first time on skin and unfortunately, it looks like a big spot of highlighter. Now let me blend it and see if I can tone it down. I'm applying Rare Side a little above the Take a Moment highlighter so it doesn't overlaps with it. The spot is still prominent. So with finger, I'm applying Rare Side over my forehead and a little bit on nose. Now with a brush, I'm applying it on lower lash line. Now taking highlighter Take a Moment and applying it over my cupid's bow and nose tip. That's how it looks in the selfie camera. Now look how dewy and radiant all these highlighters make my skin. These highlighters have Korean pearl ingredient in it that makes the highlighter so reflective even with the slightest coat. The puff is incredible and it helps in making application lump free and even. These highlighters work great with powders and creams both. It has blendable, soft and buttery texture. It can be used as highlighter, eyeshadow and blush. The pigment is buildable and it can go from subtle highlight to shining to the heavens. It has wet and bouncy unique feel to touch. The glow feels really natural. All these highlighters can look good on all skin tones. It is compact and easy to carry. It doesn't smudge or crease. Now there's only one con, that it's hard at first to use the puff because we can go overboard without realizing. I will rate these highlighters 5 by 5 and will definitely recommend it to you guys.